Yep.
Man, look how many flies there are. Alright guys, Alex here, Forever Wild. Welcome back. Alright. Flies galore. Made a new mate. Perth Fisher named Rohan. He's got his own channel. He's a legend. He's going to take me out to his secret spot. He's got a brand new engine on his tinny and he wants to kick it into gear, so we're going to head out. Far out. Anyway, I'm keen to get off this beach. Hopefully we get onto some mean stacks of fish. Stacks. Ready, bros?
Almost.
Sick.
Alright, once we dump that in, we're off.
We're on the water. Pinkies, Jewies. He doesn't want pinkies. I'll take all the pinkies.
Yeah, baldies.
He wants baldies. And we're out. He's rigging up for me because I'm pretty shit fisho and he's the expert. I'm on his rig. He's got a brand new yummy punch out here. Woo!
Dirty betos.
Dirty betos. Got to get into it. Alrighty, let's go. Throw it down and start picking up Jewies. Hopefully. Alrighty, let's go.
Don't really want to give away where we are.
Oh no. Oh no.
The braid's found its way through. Is that a new I think I'm on for a good black ass. Let's have a look. Please be a nice oh, it's a baldy, you bloody beauty. Oh, sick. Oh mate, to be honest, I didn't put up a hell of a fight for a baldy.
Dude, this thing. How nice is that?
Balching groper. That's my first fish of the day, our first keeper for the esky.
Oh man, what a beauty. What size, what weight you reckon that is?
Only be about 2.5 kilos probably, mid 40s, but well and truly in.
Nice.
Happy days there. Alright, we're gonna get back in the water, see if we can get Alex onto one, keep ripping into some more, hopefully 2 of these, 2 Jewies, and that'll be the perfect day.
For sure.
No way is that not on. Oh, I'm on, big fish. Oh, thanks. Oh shit. Oh wow.
The back one.
I was almost. I'm not now.
I am definitely like a king.
Oh, we're about to get lit up.
Alright.
Alright, we got Alex on.
Oh, we're on. Oh man, I got double pinkies.
Double pinkies.
Double pinkies, bro.
Oh yeah.
Holy moly. They were swimming in halfway of the water column. Oh, bro, I need that. Oh, sugar!
Grab the net. My dog. Oh, yeah. They're both in too, my lord.
Oh, bro!
I can't help you.
Oh, double
I'm
dab!
out here playing cameraman. Yeah.
Oh, dude.
My God.
Holy moly.
My God.
There we go. Oh, double pinkies. Double pinkies, baby. That's what we came. Yeah.
Oh, how good's that? Double header of pinkies. That's his first.
That's the
keepers.
first time I've ever caught 2 fish at once as well. You're on, fuck. There you go.
Oh,
You're on.
oh, oh. Oh,
Go pull it.
Hold that.
Are you on?
I have to be, yeah. I surely am. Yep. Yep. It's gonna. I feel like it's gonna run hard in a second because it's coming up.
Oh, man.
Are they big though? Oh, decent. Probably similar size to yours.
I was only on 20 pounds, so it felt like just like it was a monster.
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm on pretty heavy gear here. Oh,
hey.
I don't know if this will even be a keeper. This one feels pretty small.
Nah.
I'll put this one back, I think.
You reckon?
Yeah, I'll go for a bigger one.
Yeah, for sure.
It's in, but I'm gonna put it in. I'll put it back.
Oh, dude.
So the sounder.
It's stacked still, man.
Hey! Hey! The sounder showed some truth there. We got heaps of pinkies in here, so we're gonna get this guy back and get down, find the big dogs.
Yeah. Man, I want to grab mine. First time ever double fish, because I'm just a full noob. Make sure you like my shit.
Oh, yes.
Man, I just got bitten by a fish. Have you ever been bitten by a fish? He full bit me, man. But I deserved it. Oh, man. Come on, baby.
Check this out. Yeah. Oi, don't want to give away my spot. Oh, we were loaded up there before.
Man, he's right in there.
So the thing about today is we both came to an agreement, because we both have YouTube channels and we both love fishing, that we're not going to go too hard on stressing about the fish when we get them. We sort of said if we hook up to one of us has to film and the other can focus on the fish. So that's what we're doing. We're going to sort these out rather than rush and drop back in, and then we'll take our time, get back in for more. But we're not far from being bagged out now anyway, which is pretty funny.
Double pinkies.
Yeah, the bro.
Oh man, I'm so happy. Like, first time I ever caught 2 fish at once. Catch 2 fish at once, baby. Yeah! You!
What we're going on is a triple hookup.
Oh.
I gotta do this.
I'm getting a little bit snagged here.
What do you got, Frankie?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, it's so funny. Oh, there's one on the deck. Let's get it. Oh.
Ooh, little one.
Alright, this is the better fish.
Is he the biggie?
Not massive. It's either 2 or it's a good one. This should be a 60 centimetre one. Oh, we got water on the lens and everything.
Oh, dang.
Everything's going on. It's gonna be much nicer. Ooh, it's a double header.
Double header, man.
Oh,
Double headers. Hey! We got 4 on the deck. We gotta put them back.
yep.
Dang, you got. Oh man, they're so beautiful, though.
Alright. So we just got 4 pinkies.
4 pinkies on the deck.
1 drop.
Man, hold that up to this. I want to show how beautiful these things are. Beautiful. That is, they are so nice.
Ready? And
Release. Go quick, put these 2 back.
alright, let's get them back in.
Well, we caught good fish. Re-rigged, went back to the same spot. pandemonium. Now we're gonna go back and try and get, we wanna get another Balching. So we put all the pinkies back, all swimming good. And now we're ready, he's rigging up a camera on here because it's just, we know it's just psycho as soon as we drop them in. It was just off chops. Oh man, it's the best.
Oh,
You're already on.
I'm on. Straight away. Didn't even get to finish talking.
Seeing it, baby.
Oh, no, they're not massive fish, though. But they're fun, man. They're so fun.
Alright, I'll throw mine out the back here. And I'll
This one's
Oh, that's crazy, man. They're such a good looking fish. They're the best. 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. Woo! Wow. That's the sign to go get bigger fish.
Yeah, so the bite's gone off, so we're actually going to move away from here now. Stay away from the pinkies. It was fun while it lasted, but we're going to go search for another baldy or a jewfish. We'll go hunt down some reef or find a bommy or something again. So I'm going to wind up now, and then we'll move on out of here. And then once we bag out on demersal finfish, then we're going to target pelagics for a couple of hours, use up the fuel, and probably trawl around, stay on the edge of the reef and stuff, and then see if we can bring something out. Be it a kingy or a tuna.
Yeah, boy.
Anything. See how we go. Here's now. Alex is back on.
We changed spots. We wanted to go get baldies because we were just pinkied out.
Oh!
I got a black ass. Cool.
I think I've just snagged.
Did you?
Yeah, all good. Never mind the spools that are going off there. There and there.
Right, that's just holding us. That's our new anchor.
They snagged.
Look at this beauty.
Black ass there.
Black break sea. This is a good size one. I've already bagged out on my little demersal, so I'm going to let him go. I just wanted to show you how beautiful this thing is. Look at his eyeballs. And he's just these are amazing eating fish, but
we're over the limit.
We're over the limit, so we're going to let these go. Let's get him in. Come on, buddy. Woo! And he's out. Oh, man. Alrighty, let's save you now. You're right.
It's a black ass again, I reckon. Let's have a look. Oh no, it looks like a king wrasse, an even bigger one. Or is it black? Ah, it's a wrasse. Foul hooked.
No hook wrasse. We both just got mad wrasses.
It's good though, because they're good bait.
Yeah, they are good bait.
Oh yes! Camera on. Yo, the camera was on.
Oh, sick.
Yeah, it's good take. Oh no. Did I just drop it? No.
You still on?
Yes.
Is it a decent?
Yeah, it's got to be a nice fish to be taking line on this big bloody 8500 reel. This is a, yeah.
Oh man.
I'm going to call this for another Balching groper.
You reckon?
Yeah.
I do.
Yeah. I'm calling it for a baldy. And if it's a baldy, my day has just been made. So I didn't want to waste my bag on a small pinky. It's either that or a pretty nice pinky, but we're sitting on a bit of reef rather than sand this time, so we'll find out.
Yeah, bro. Oh, the homie just picked up. Oh man. I hope it's in. Yes.
That's a nice baldy.
Baldy.
I'll give you guys a look in a moment.
Woo. Bagging out.
Get out of town.
No, I thought it was.
Alright guys, so we've got 2 cameras rolling here, but I absolutely got what I was Alright, we've got 2 cameras rolling here and I absolutely have got what I came for. Another Balching groper here, beautiful one. So that's my second for the day. Now I thought my camera was rolling a second ago when I was filming, or when I was reeling this in, because I looked at it and it said it was filming, but it turned out the The screen had just glitched, so because of that I never actually got the footage of me reeling this in, but it was a beautiful fight. Lovely Balching groper, best eating fish in Western Australia without a doubt, and I could not be happy with that. Man, it's so good. I gotcha. Should be pretty safe. We haven't chummed up the water or nothing, so. Are you taking your gun or your loop or?
I'm just gonna have a little play first, just to get comfy. But
Yeah. All right.
all right, let's go.
Oi, oi. No. Big kingy, big kingy, big kingy. Oh my god. Big kingy. That's a kingy, eh?
Is this rolling?
Yep. Wow. Alex has literally just jumped in without a gun or anything, and then the big pelagic kingies come through. So, because there's a big kingy there, we've only kept demersals today, which means pelagics are on the menu. And if that thing decides to hang around, it's a goner.
Kingy boy! Big kingy man. Blasted him. He's on.
Are you gonna get it or?
He's on.
Oh, you got it! Oh my god! Oh my god! So he was yelling out kingy boy like, I was thinking, oh yeah, he's seen one, but he's actually shot it. What a weapon! Oh. Oh my man.
Oh no! I'm still gonna get out the water, just in case. Oh no! I had a good placement shot. Oh damn.
Jeez.
Alright, I just learned a lesson. Never let the kingy come up to the top of the water when you got him under gun. You got to grab him underwater. So I just had the most unfortunate thing happen. Like, I've only been spearing for like a year and a bit, and it's a part of the game, I guess. I hate it. I wounded a fish, and I know a lot of people don't show like this happening and be like, oh, you're out there just messing things up, and it's like, I know now what to not do with this situation. I had a good placement, and it was my first kingy. I don't know how kingies react. Man, when they hit the top of the water, they go schizo. Now, I know never to do that, because I never want to wound fish. This is straight up, I want to go home and have food. I don't want to give the food to sharks and take a life. That is just like the worst thing for me. But I'll tell you, everybody, will do that, whoever spears, and I shouldn't be ashamed of it. It's a part of life. Sometimes when you're learning, things happen, and I hope you just can all understand. But we're gonna move spots. I feel a bit freaked out because straight after that happened, blood was everywhere. Bloody shark came straight up to me.
A shark or?
So I'm just like a real sketchy right now, but that kingy's there somewhere, and the man's got to do what he's got to do. I don't want to always explain myself. So he was flying the drone and it just ran out of battery, and the only place he could put it down, because it was going down, was on this bloody island, and there's like, it's inhabited. So now we got to try and get through like super shallow water to go grab it. Oh my God, this is sketchy. Yeah, you get on that sand, I reckon we'll be...
There's so much reef in front of the road.
Hello? Oh my God. Dude. And there's the big one.
Oh. They're not coming at us.
Nah, they're not coming at us. Okay, so what's happened is we were flying a drone and the drone started to like go down in the water. And then what happened was, as it's going down, the only place we could land it was on this bloody island, and now we're on this island with friggin' like 100 seals and they're just everywhere. This is literally the sketchiest thing I've done this year. We don't want to be on this island. Whoa.
And pups and everything. Sorry, seals. This is what we came for. Aww. They are so cute. Super, super cute. Sorry, mate.
Oh my God, this is so sketchy. You got the drone back. You got the drone, dude. We got the drone. Booyah. Lucky you landed on the island. Let's get off this rock though, man. These things are screaming.
Before we get stranded.
Oh my God. I'm sure that you're not supposed to land on this island. We didn't want to land on here. I want to get off it as quick as possible. And thank you, little seals and big seals, for letting us come, grab our little drone. And now we're gonna nick off and leave you alone. And you're very beautiful. Thank you.
That's like the biggest blessing in disguise for content day.
Oh my God. I think we've got to wrap this up. We're wrapping this up, guys. Thanks for watching another episode of Forever Wild. That was the most random thing that happened. I hope you dug it. We got into pinkies, baldies, kingies. Now, oh my God, these guys are going schizo. Thanks Rohan for taking us out. What a legend. And thank you guys. Make sure you like and subscribe if you're digging our random adventures. Cheers guys. Peace.